Good morning, you guys. I'm off from work, so we're gonna get up. Yeah, it's like 12 right now. So, my apartment's a mess. Don't judge me. This is last night. Oh my god, my room's a mess. Don't even look that way. So, Saturday morning, the sun came out. Everything looks good, except that I do have doggies. And they have their little spot, right? This is their usual spot where they love to pee. So I put a pee pad. If we don't, like, if we take them out I'm waking up so late, like at 12 in the morning. That's why they peed. It wasn't their fault. It's being a bad mama, and I take them out late. So that's why I have a pee pad, just in case. But they're trained. They go on the pee pad for the most part. Yeah. And this sneak peek of all my plants, you guys. I love waking up to my plants. Oh my god. But I have so many plant chores. Anyways. So, this is my kitchen. I need to wash that. Look at all the dishes. All the dishes. Because my boyfriend's lazy. I'm just kidding. He works a lot. I work a lot. So sometimes we take turns. But for the most part, I do the dishes. I love you, babe. But yeah, there's a lot of dishes. I'm gonna wash the dishes and we're gonna go from there. Probably gonna take you guys with me. Oh my god, I still have red lipstick. Yes, I sleep with my makeup. Yeah, that is so bad. Don't sleep with your makeup. Anyways, I'm gonna take a shower, take you plant shopping. Like, you guys, this whole section, hopefully I can clean it. This is spag moss. You can grow plants in here, and you can grow plants in leca. I have them in both. And for spag moss, I just made a pole, which is right there. And the plant loves it. But yeah, this station I have to clear. It looks so ugly. Let me show you a sneak peek. So this is gonna be like a little fish tank. I'm just like cycling the tank before I can add any fish. Any pet fish owner knows that, so I can't get pets yet. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but it's Saturday and I'm gonna drink before I go shopping. Oh my god, like I said in a previous video, like, please don't drink and shop because you're probably gonna drop money when you're drinking, but it's okay, you guys. I need plants in my life. I don't have any. Guess what? I got my little fix of alcohol. So I made it to Lowe's, and yeah, hopefully the prices are better. I've heard their plant selection is not that great. But we'll see. But I really have to pee right now. See you at Lowe's, okay? Okay. So windy today. So we're at Lowe's, you guys. Look at the pretty flowers. Hopefully I don't get run over today. But yeah, go to the restroom and then we're gonna check out all these plants. I'm at Lowe's and I see the restroom. Yes. Oh my god, I gotta pee. 50%. So they do have a grand price set. With flowers, you guys. I'm not really an expert on flowers at all, so I can't tell you what they are. But yeah, they have flowers for $3. This is bad. So I usually avoid the common. What are they? Let's see. Yeah, avoid the common flowers. This is $7, you guys. I wonder what it is. They have palladium. $8. them for $16. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. I've never tried royal Palladium, but I never tried. Anyway, this is all flowers. Let's go to some fiddle leaf fruit. I'm not sure. No price, but it. Oh, they have coupons. Remember there were 10 bucks at Home Depot? Like 14. But they really don't have much. Yeah, they don't have a lot of selection this month. I'm gonna go to home. So you guys, Lowe's was a fail. They don't really have any selection of houseplants. It's more of flowers and palm trees and stuff like that. Well, I didn't even see palm trees. I saw a lot of caladiums though, but I feel like Home Depot has better selection. You'll see, you guys. So let's go to Home Depot. Hey guys, let's go. Oh, you guys. This plant shopping is making me hungry. So I went to the restroom. I'm already buzzing. Sorry. I'm already like buzzing. But I'm literally proud of myself because I haven't bought no plants. Like, that's awesome. Because I know everything's like either overpriced or they don't have good selection. I was kind of driving a little bit fast and I literally just got a warning from this cop because I was like kissing the cop's ass and saying I'm sorry and he let me go, or maybe because I look good, but the cop let me go with a warning, so that's good. But anyways, that was so scary. Like, I hit my drink and everything, but anyways, let's go plant shopping, you guys. And guess what? I gotta pee again, so literally, these are the variegated rubber trees that I wanted to get. They do look healthier. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna come back for you guys. I gotta pee. You guys, restroom here again. I'm not drinking anymore because I keep peeing. Oh my god, you guys, these are this. They're flowers, but I don't like flowers. Is that a photo? A lily. Yeah, I don't do flowers. So you guys, unfortunately, the camera is all over the place just because there was this guy with his little boy and I didn't want to record him, you know, privacy, and it's kind of illegal. if we don't have their consent. But anyways, like the plant selection here was not great. Usually they have better plant selection. I guess it just depends on the area, but no, I feel like Lowe's was better. So guess what, you guys? After going to the Ray nurseries, me almost not getting arrested, but almost getting the AC. Me almost getting a ticket. I got stopped by this cop, and let me tell you, I had the drink. I hid it, but I was the sweetest person ever. Nice. Saying I'm sorry and everything. The cop let me go with a warning, you guys. Oh my god, don't drink and drive. And I'm not even drunk. Maybe a little tipsy, but I tend to drive fast, okay? I got excited. Like, I'm trying to rush, so yeah, I'm not drunk. I'm not hurting anybody. But anyways, he let me go. And everything was dandy, and Home Depot came through with me. I didn't check Kroger. It's already 4, maybe later. But anyways, guess what, you guys? I got my beautiful rubber tree that I always wanted. It's variegated. It comes with a little stand right there. And she is a beauty. Look at them beautiful variegated leaves. It's one on the way. Oh my god, I am so excited. I'm so happy. That's exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna try to put her in LECA. Not right now. I'm gonna let it. The rule of putting your plants in LECA, when you buy them first, let them get used to your environment at home. Don't repot them. Wait a couple days, maybe a week and a half, and then repot them when they're used to your household environment, because then you will stress the plant out, and yeah, maybe it won't do so well. So yeah, okay, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to put her in LECA. It was $24, my baby, right? Oh, hopefully it doesn't fall because I'm turning. But anyways, yeah, it was a good date today. Thanks for watching. If you guys want more videos of me plant shopping all over Dallas, the nurseries, the big box stores, hunting for beautiful plants, let me know. I can do more videos like this. So yeah, see you on my next video, and subscribe, like this video. Let me know if you want more videos like I said. Okay, you guys, love you guys. Mwah. Bye. And remember, stay safe out there. F the hate. You do you, honey, and keep planting. Bye.